Now we have our global first InnoChef Cooking Show, where we have the most compelling and creative chefs cooking amazing, completely cooked with non-animal protein. So Doug is here right now. Thank you for being with us today.
So I am here today as a vegan chef, an entrepreneur, restaurateur, cookbook author, all those sort of names, but someone who really cares, someone who's really trying to make a difference in the world. And I set out doing vegan brunch in progress. I've literally been all over the world. One of the things that I've always tried to do is recreate eggs. In the plant-based or vegan world, traditional eggs don't really exist. So I set off doing traditional scrambled tofu. I've done scrambled chickpeas. I've done consulting for various hotels and restaurants all over the world. And about 7 years ago, I was like, I'm going to create an egg. It's a nice soft white, and the yolk actually pops when you poke it with a fork or a knife. You get that runny egg yolk.